Hey everybody, it's Miss Becca, and today, instead of reading you a Pete the Cat story like I know we all love, I found a book called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. And this is about Pete the Cat when he was little. So I hope you enjoy Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup, hic, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. Poor baby Pete. Pete asked Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Uh-oh. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Oh, let's see. Let's see if that works. All right, do you think it'll work? Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Oh no, it didn't work. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. Let's see if this gets rid of his hiccups. Do you think it'll get rid of his hiccups? Let's see. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Maybe Mom will have a good idea. Poor Pete the kitty. Oh, let's see what Mom says. Pete asked Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Let's see if this works. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Did it work? Let's see. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone! Moms are so smart. Yay! So Pete the kitty got rid of his hiccups. All right, I hope you enjoyed this story, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!